Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be creating our flame view. So we already created our view, so let's go ahead and start populating it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a state private property called flame animation, and this is basically a local animation for this flame to show how it is basically flickering or burning. Okay, we're going to create a Z stack first. Inside this Z stack, we're going to have an image with system name flame.fill. Alright, let's go ahead and set the foreground style as red.gradient, and we're going to set the offset on the y-axis as 2 points with opacity 0.8 and scale effect, depending upon the flame animation, being true to be 0.5 or being false to be 1.0. Okay, so this is basically the first flame. We're gonna have a few flames stacked on in the z-axis on the top of each other, so we create that interesting animation of flickering. So we're gonna create another image, again system name flame.fill, foreground style, this time it's going to be orange dot gradient, scale effect with the scale value of 0.7. let's go ahead and set the offset value at the y, and let me go ahead and turn off this. Okay, so the offset value will be 0.9. okay, and then offset is y-axis -2, opacity 0.9, and the scale effect is going to be flame animation. If it's true, 1.5. If it's false, 0.9. Okay, and the third image, let's go ahead and copy this, and we're gonna modify it. So flame.fill, the color is gonna be yellow, and the scale effect is going to be 0.5. The offset is going to be y-axis -5. Okay, so this one is +2, -2, and -5. And let's keep the opacity as full, and the flame animation is going to be 0.3 if it's true, and 1.1 for the scale if it's false. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our on appear and we're gonna apply this animation here. So with animation, okay, and in the animation body, actually we don't need the completion, so we can remove that, and we're gonna say animation dot linear dot repeat forever auto reverse as true. And then we're gonna say flame animation dot toggle. So we're gonna toggle the flame animation, so it's gonna keep on going back and forth. Okay, so with that we have done everything. The only thing that's remaining is to create that driver, which is gonna drive the entire experience, which is this guy right here. So first thing first, we're going to create our state property, and this state property is going to be for our view model, Fireworks view model. Okay, and for the body we are going to call drawing area view with view model passed in. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and start the canvas and try out the experience that we have built. Okay, so our view is ready. Let's go ahead and draw a shape 8. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and try 3. Perfect. Let's go ahead and give it one more try. All right. There we go. All right. So as you can see, our app is working great, and you built a custom animation entirely from scratch in SwiftUI, leveraging all the animations and observation and combined frameworks power into building this app from scratch. All right, so with that, we have reached the end of this section. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in another course. Thank you.